Welcome to TMI Truck and Equipment, Norfolk, Virginia. What we have today is the Isuzu 14,500 pound GVW product. This is a 50-state legal truck with a 6.6 liter gas GM engine mated to a GM automatic transmission. The body is an 11-foot Knapheide Service Body with 4 compartments on each side that have interior LED lighting and a centralized locking system. The rear bumper is a large rear step bumper for easy access in and out of the body. The interior of the body has 2 shelving units along with 2 conduit points for putting in longer product. The interior also has LED lighting to assist you with nighttime operations. The rear of the truck is protected with 2 LED strobe lights for when you're working in the roadside. The truck has a 33-foot turning diameter, so it will turn on a dime. You have plenty of capacity with a 14,500 pound rear axle and a 6,800 pound capacity front axle. The Isuzu product comes standard with roadside assistance and initial free oil changes as part of the sales package. The warranty on it is 60 months, 75,000 miles with the ability to go 60, 150 if you have the need. The interior of the cab gives you 3-person seating with Bluetooth enabled stereo system, power windows, power door locks. The truck is already equipped with fire extinguishers and road triangles. This truck is in stock now for immediate delivery. Give us a call at 757-547-7151.